won't believe how a simple $99 website, not a full redesign, not a fancy funnel, brought in 28 real leads in just 14 days. No ads, no SEO magic, just smart design and one overlooked strategy. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how we did it for one of our clients, step by step. And even if you don't work with us, you'll walk away with actionable ideas you can apply to your own site today to start getting better results. Hey there, we're the team at Swiftpress Support. We help small business owners like you turn underperforming websites into real revenue machines. Today, we're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at a $99 a month website that outperforms sites 10 times the price. We'll walk you through exactly what we did, what you can steal for your own website, and how to turn more visitors into paying clients starting this week. This client was a local house cleaning service in a mid-sized US city. No website, no lead form. Everything was happening over text, DMs, and referrals. When they came to us, they were frustrated. We know we do great work, but people keep asking if we have a website. We're losing business. That's a pain point we hear a lot. A website isn't just a digital brochure. It's a trust signal, a sales engine, and often your first impression. They didn't need bells and whistles. They needed results, and fast. We set them up with our $99 a month plan, which includes a professionally designed 3-page site, mobile optimization, basic copywriting, lead capture form, hosting, and ongoing support. But here's the key. We didn't just build a site. We built it around conversions. Everything we created had a single goal: turn one visitor into one lead. You'd be surprised how many sites fail at this. Pretty doesn't always pay. Let's walk you through exactly what made the difference. Number 1, conversion first messaging. The headline was "Welcome to Clean King." That doesn't convert. Instead, we used "Reliable house cleaning in LA, book in 60 seconds. This answers who it's for, what they get, and how fast. Number 2, single call to action. One CTA, request a free quote. Placed it at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom of every page. Repetition works. Number 3, trust signals. We used Google reviews and a quick testimonial from a happy customer. People trust people more than they trust your logo. Number 4, mobile first optimization. Over 80% of their traffic came from phones, so we made the CTA sticky on mobile. You scroll, it stays. That alone improved conversions. Number 5, page speed. The site loads in under 2 seconds. Every extra second of load time equals up to 30% more visitors gone. That's real money walking away. After launch, they got 28 leads in 14 days. That's 2 qualified leads a day for a service with an average ticket of $150. Even with a 30% close rate, that's over $1,200 in potential new revenue in just 2 weeks. And remember, this wasn't with paid ads or SEO. It was pure organic traffic from people Googling their business name or clicking the link in their Instagram bio, all from a site that costs less than a daily cup of coffee. Here are 4 things you can take right now, even if you don't work with us. Use a results-driven headline above the fold. Make it clear what you do, who you help, and what happens next. Stick to one CTA per page. Avoid link clutter. One goal, one button. Add proof. A screenshot of a Google review or a one-line client quote works better than a full testimonial wall. Fix your mobile experience. Open your site on your phone. Can you find your CTA in under 2 seconds? If not, you're leaking leads. A $99 a month website brought in 28 leads in 14 days. What's your site doing right now? If it's not generating leads while you sleep, then it's just taking up space online. Book a free 30-minute strategy call with our team. We'll look at your current site and give you 2 to 3 revenue-focused improvements you can make, whether you work with us or not. Links in the description box. Subscribe for more real-world tips like this. We're here to help you grow smarter, not spend harder.